bonus tip for you. Who's the kind of builder you're looking for? You're a property investor. You're looking for profit in this. So you're not looking for the builder who's got like a 6-month waiting list and installs 35 grand kitchens. They have got juice because they're really trusted, because they've got waiting lists, because they've got history, because they've built up their business. They've got a lot of profit and juice in there, haven't they? And they deserve it. You are looking for the young guys or girls, but I've always employed guys so far, who've come out from a really good training of that kind of business, and they're like mid-20s, late 20s, early 30s, and they're looking to buy business. With you, you're going to give them just above profit margin, so they make a tiny bit of money off you, but they're not making the big juicy money. You've given them guaranteed work, and then they're going to slowly build up their opportunity to make juice in the 35 grand kitchens till eventually they turn around to you and say, thank you very much, but I don't need your custom anymore. Don't get upset about it. It's just a process. That's the profile of the builder you need.